Well, it's April the 1st, and haven't managed to pull any thing on my wife yet, but this is Bear's Rod Shop. We're back on this morning. We finished up the calipers yesterday. We had to go, this right front was so corroded inside the cylinders, it was unsalvageable, so did have to break down and go to O'Reilly's and get a replacement for the right. And here's the left all rebuilt, getting ready to get into paint. I'll probably break it back down, paint it, and then put it back together. This morning we're over here pulling down the rears. And if I can get you up in here, this is just a method I come up with. Use a ball joint puller. You know, these had already been rebuilt, but this morning when I run brake fluid through them here on the bench, it was full of crud. So this one's going to get rebuilt. But let's see if I can get positioned here on this stool. Oh, excuse me. But this ball puller actually fits this Corvette piston just perfect. Now, I was hoping not to have to file out or anything, but you can see I've already removed this other one, and we got it mounted in the vise. Could have took time up here on this little plate, bridge plate, to center it up, drill those holes, put bolts up there, but the clamps work just fine. So if we can, it's bad camera angle, maybe you can see right here, actually just screwing this in by hand. Here comes the dust cover, and there you go. So we hope this helps. You guys are rebuilding these GM OEM dual piston calipers. Simple, Harbor Freight, of course. I've had this around. I've pulled many of Mercedes ball joints with these. But if that helps, it's a lot better than trying to put 2 screwdrivers in there. And let's take these clamps off. Working in here with one hand today. Okay, let's see if you can release. Sorry about the camera angle here. But, whoop. Yeah, there goes one piston on the floor. Oh, I'll be darned. Huh. She's going to be able to save this one. Stainless steel inserts. Good springs. Yeah. Love it. But have to break them down to clean them right. And then we'll get to the other one. Actually in really good shape, but I didn't like the debris and dirt coming out. Do not feel anything in these holes, and I'll get a good inspection after cleaning. But we hope that helps, and please share. Like I say, we're back on the Corvette this week, and we got Easter coming up. Going to be busy with family here pretty soon, and Saturday we're not going to be on the Corvette. I got to get back over on my Dodge truck, get that thing up and going, and please share. I'm now a new subscriber over to BC Brian 02 there in Kentucky, and he's got some massive milling equipment over there. Really getting on board with him as well, and he's kind of like I am, a Mercedes nut. Excuse me. Let's turn this around real quick. Yeah, he's not a Mercedes nut. He's collected a couple of Mercedes, and don't if you ever need any parts, you know, get with me. But anybody else looking for older Mercedes from 70 to 85, I have 9 left of a fleet of about 17 that I had, and I love to get rid of them. All of them have titles, good for parts, good for drivers, some of them. Got some 240Ds, I got some 300Ds, I got one 300 SD, beautiful motor in it. Again, y'all have a wonderful Easter, and please come back and share or comment. And one last look, front calipers all ready to go back in. Going to have to flush the whole system, of course. Y'all have a great and super Easter. Bear's Rod Shop, we're out.